Welcome back to Tradition X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Glossybox.
Yay! We're excited.
Let me take a minute to open. You want to say
I'm
anything about the
excited
giveaway while I'm opening it?
I'm excited because it's skincare usually. And since she brought up our giveaway, might as well mention, if you guys haven't joined our current giveaway, don't forget to do so. I'll leave the link down below for you guys.
Okay, so it has like those cards on top. I'm just going to toss those aside. Woo! It likes to fly.
I like the box. The box.
Okay, and she normally says they have pink boxes. Well,
They
to prove
usually
her wrong,
do have pink boxes, but I
it is
like
not
it.
pink.
I like
it's not pale.
I like it when there's a theme to it. She knows that, so it's really pretty. I like that box.
And that's empty. Okay. But yeah, it's pretty. Hopefully the paper inside's like a green or something. Let's see. Ooh, yay! I'm like
excited.
I'm like, yay! So they're maybe they heard your comment about like it's always the same color. Isn't it always pink? Isn't it always peach? Maybe they heard you.
I would say like 5 months out of the year it's pink.
Okie dokie.
Is there a card or no? Nothing.
No. You know what? I saw in their email that they're doing it. What do you call it? It's like
paperless or
yeah.
Oh,
like
green.
Like it had in the email or whatever, or on their website, I don't know which, it said that like you can view the card here, but it's not going to include a card. I don't know if that's for this month or for from now on. Anyway, so no card to show, but you can go online and look it up if you want, I guess. Or maybe we can like, actually I could probably get it and then post it on our thumbnail or something. Okay, so first thing is Novex Mystic Black.
I don't know what that
Deep
is.
Hair Mask.
Oh.
Baobab oil.
This is where I normally would read how you use it or what you do with it, but
well, it says apply on slightly wet hair, massage, leave it on for 3 minutes, and rinse well. So
I'm glad there's instructions on there, because otherwise, I don't like it. I don't know if you guys ever get a product and it doesn't say what to do with it on the actual bottle. That's frustrating.
Okay. Then,
oh my gosh, I'm just as excited.
Fiber Building Mascara by Ardell Wispies. I don't know which way to hold it.
Cute.
That way.
I like the packaging.
There's that. And then Style Velvet Touch, or Style London, sorry. Or Style London. I think it's Style London, I think. Velvet Touch. So some browns.
That's a cute little palette.
Eyeshadow palette. Hypnotic Eyes is what it says on the back.
That's what I was going to say. It says Hypnotic Eyes. Oh, the look she could probably do.
And then Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute Peel for instantly smoother, brighter, softer skin. That's good.
I was gonna say, so far you're getting a good mixture of not
items.
only makeup and but yeah, like different kinds, like your hair and skincare and makeup.
The last thing is Lord & Berry.
You've gotten a lot of these.
Number 3405 Intimacy Crayon Lipstick. I guess is the way to.
I mean, would you say we have like 3 or 4 of those, or is it just me that does? I
No,
mean, they're fine. I mean, I use them almost as like a lip liner only, but
I feel like I get something from them, but I don't know if
it's not that.
Yeah, I don't know if it's lipsticks. But
I wish we were at my house because I could show you guys.
Yeah, that was the last item. So.
And is it still 20?
I do.
I always try to make
what
her
is
think.
theirs. I know. Because I think it was 20. Was it 22.63 before? But I think theirs is still that same price. I could be wrong.
Well,
one of them is switching to a little bit more expensive. I think that's BoxyCharm, but I could be wrong.
Well, that was it for this video. If it was fast enough, as always, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways and the one we are doing currently. And we will catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.